Okay, Rachel. So this is a example problem about what we've done so far. So let's go through this quickly. The latus rectum of a parabola. I mean, they just introduced to you a new term which we had not learned before. But when you see this, no worries. Read the problem. Okay? The latus rectum of a parabola is the line segment that is parallel to the directrix. So you know that's the directrix, right? So the latus rectum is parallel to the directrix, passes through the focus. So that already tells us we know that line passes through the focus and is parallel to this. So we can draw it. That's the line. Okay? Passes through the focus and has endpoints that lie on the parabola. Well, done. So on the parabola, A, B. So that's that line segment AB is the latus rectum. Okay, we just learned something because they defined it for us. Okay, now they ask you find the length in terms of P of the latus rectum of a parabola with equation x squared equals 4py. Well, again, how did I know that it would look like that? Because they gave us that equation. Okay, x squared, you know that means positive x, negative x, you square it, it all will give you the same y, and looking up. In this case, actually, for this problem, it doesn't matter whether you drew it looking down or even looking sideways, you'll get the same answer. Because in fact, the answer to this AB, the length of this AB does not depend on whether the parabola is facing left or down or up. Okay, you can sort of see that, I hope. Okay, so well, once you know what you're after, let's use some of the things we already know. So what do we know about this point B? What do we know about point B? We know that the focus is right here, right? It's point 0P. What do we know about point B? Well, we know it's the coordinate of its, we know its y coordinate, right? The point B. We know its y coordinate will also be P, right? Right? Because this point is P units above the x-axis, right? So the y coordinate will be P, but we don't know its x coordinate yet. Can we know its x coordinate? Sure we can. Come into the equation and plug in y equals P. Put P that we know, put it in place of y, and then find x. That will be what will be here. Do we know what that is? 4 times P times P, 4P squared. What will be x? When x squared is 4P squared, what will be x? X will be plus 2P, and it can also be minus 2P. In fact, those are your 2 points A and B. Okay, this point here will be minus 2P, P, and this point is 2P, P. And you are done. So you're looking for the line, the distance, right? The length. You're looking for the length of segment AB. Well, point A coordinates minus 2PP, point B coordinates 2PP. You tell me what the length of AB is. I hope, without much thinking, you arrived at 4P. Okay? Your answer is 4P. Okay? Because, you know, there's no tricks. Since the y coordinate is not changing, right? All you do is subtract the x coordinate at this point from the x coordinate at this point, and it's 2p minus 2p, which means 2p plus 2p, and that is 4p. Okay? That's that.